So hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect Google Sheet to Google Forms. Also you can see Google Forms to Google Sheets, and that's it. So whether you are creating a new spreadsheet or linking to an existing one, today I am going to show you how to connect them or merge them. So before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comments. Now let's get started. First of all, you have to open Google Forms on your PC, or if you're on phone then you can just download the official app. Now tap onto Google Forms and log into it. Now as you can see, you can either choose a template, wait, so whether you can choose to use a previously made template from template gallery, or you can also tap onto blank form to create a new Google Forms according to use. So now I will go with the basic one. I'm gonna tap onto it. Okay, let's wait until it loads completely. And for example, okay, no, let me create a new forms to teach you how you can do it the same. So now I'm gonna answer some short questions. So like, what is your name? Then at the last I'm gonna add this interrogative mark. Then you have to choose your answer, like short answer, multiple choice, paragraphs, which one. So as it is, what is your name, so this should be short answer text because the answer will be done in one sentence. And from here we can change your title of the form. For example, I'm gonna add it, type it foodie.com. okay, now let's add more questions, mostly short questions. Now you at the top right corner, not there, here you can see the top, the right corner here, plus icon. Tap onto the plus icon and yeah, there you go, another option is created, like for question. So in this one I'm gonna ask, what is your age? And then at the interrogative sentence, mark. Then now let's choose for short answer again, because this is also a short answer question. Now add some multiple choice questions, for example, like which describes you best. Here tap on the plus icon again, then choose, and then take something, which one describes you best. Now let's multiple choice. So the option 1 should be monkey, and the option 2 is like lion. Lion. Okay, that's a funny option. So yeah, that's it. Now let's add some check boxes, like what type of music do you prefer? For example, pop, rock, jazz, classical, and any other one. So let's add it again. Tap on to plus icon, then let's add it. So ask the question first, what types of music do you prefer? Okay, do you prefer? Now let's add the introduction. Now let's add checkboxes right here. You can see this option checkboxes, tap onto it, and then you can have options like, I'm gonna add 3 options like pop. The next one I'm gonna add is rock. So, and the last one I'm gonna add is classical. So that was it. Now let's add some liner skill, like how would you rate the Lion King from, okay? So let's ask, how would you rate a lion, okay, lion versus monkey? Um, okay, that's it. Now you can add this optional. These are optional basically. And the last one is bad. So this is mostly it. Yeah. Now you can keep adding more if needed, but this gives us a variety, good variety. So now let's connect this form to a spreadsheet. You have to go to responses tab at the top, and there we will see two options. Like first, go to the responses tab at the top and click the green sheets icon. Let me find the option. Okay, tap onto responses. Now where you go, you can see this option link to sheets. You just have to tap onto it and then you can create a new spreadsheet. Now as you can see, this is connected to the new spreadsheet. Here you can see this, and if you want you can also add some more columns, but for now I'm gonna just delete this one. Let me delete this row. Okay, let me just delete column. Okay, that's it. So here you go. This is how you can connect your forms to a spreadsheet. You can also select an existing spreadsheet if you want. Let's see. This automatically creates a new Google Sheet with columns for each questions, plus a timestamp column to record when each response was submitted. This is how you can use it. Now we can fill out the form with test response to see how the data follows. So let me go. Okay, let me copy the link first. Okay, let's copy the link and paste it right here. Okay. Oh, okay, we have to publish it first. Then publish. Now let's reload it. Okay, now like this you have to answer questions and then you have to tap submit, and there you go. Let's reload this page. Wait. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Ta-da.